In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesflare email tracking, opens and clicks. If you've ever wondered whether your emails are being read or which links catch attention, Salesflare's tracking makes that visible. Here's how it works behind the scenes. When you send an email using Salesflare, or from Gmail or Outlook with the Salesflare sidebar or add-in installed, the system adds a tiny invisible image to the message. When the recipient opens the email and their client loads images, Salesflare detects that and records an open. For links, Salesflare quietly replaces the URLs with trackable versions, so when someone clicks, it logs that action too. Both opens and clicks show up on the contact or account timeline in Salesflare, giving you a clear view of engagement. Before you start, make sure your email is connected inside Salesflare. Head to Settings, then Email and Calendar, and connect your Gmail or Outlook account. This connection lets Salesflare record your sent emails and attach tracking automatically. Without it, Salesflare won't be able to capture activity or tie it back to your contacts. Next, add the integration for where you send most emails. If you use Gmail, install the Salesflare Chrome extension. If you use Outlook, install the Salesflare Outlook add-in. With these enabled, the tracking components are inserted as you compose emails from your inbox, not just from inside Salesflare. A quick tip: keep the extension or add-in active and signed in so tracking is consistently applied. Now send your email as you normally would from Gmail or Outlook. There's nothing extra to switch on each time. As long as the integration is running, open and click tracking will be added automatically. Keep in mind that open tracking depends on images loading. Some recipients or security tools block images, so opens might not register even if the email is read, while clicks are typically more reliable. Also, forwards and multiple device opens can increase the open count, so treat the numbers as indicators rather than absolute truths. After your recipient interacts, jump into the contact or account timeline in Salesflare. You'll see a gray eye icon on sent emails to show that tracking is active. When the email is opened, that eye turns blue and displays how many times it was opened and the time of the most recent open when you hover. Clicks appear as separate activity entries in the timeline, making it easy to scan who engaged and how often. Use these signals to prioritize follow-ups and tailor your next message based on real engagement.